Well, welcome to the center. Here we are. And they are curious, maybe anxious. Who are they?
Oj, har jag
Skola och hört Flottfeldts skola presentera sin musikal om No Time to Lose. Och då kom det löpande 10 elever. Vissa på Jensyn, de kommer ju i mars. So please come girls, but in here it's warm. I think you should take off your heavy jackets and then you come in and you take experiences. It's going to be a little bit cold for you, maybe, chilly, but all of us will have to dress and maybe, I say, we have to give the best, so it's all going to work like this. And this is the experience, maybe your life. And here at the school, we have saying, learning for life. You have to learn by yourself, you have to learn together with your friends, together with your teachers. And this is not going to be a speech now. We are tired, we're going to bed pretty soon, but I think we should hear the names and also know who are the teachers. So maybe we should start with the international group, the one closest to us. We have friends now from Estonia, Estland, we have Cyprus, Cyprus, we have Romania, and we have Malaysia, Malaysia, and Norway or Norge. Okay? We take Estonia first. Say hi and your names.
Karner.
And the boys. Just the first name.
Johannes.
And?
Rasmus.
I said it before.
Daniela.
Yeah.
Alia.
And I'm just Santinos.
I'm teacher Renka. I brought 7 students over here and my son is also here.
I am Fatmiza. Hi, I'm Tasha.
I'm Vipin.
Good. So that is one school for Malaysia. But there's another school too. So, come on.
I am a teacher from St. George's Girls' School from Malaysia. We have 3 girls. Subuna. My name is Subuna.
Hi, I'm Andrea.
I'm Ramya.
And I'm Vipin.
And
One of the teachers from Norway. My name is Stig, and we are 32 pupils here. So.
Elin is my name, also from this school. My name is Christopher.
My name is Elisa.
yeah, there you are. Super, sorry. And did I miss anyone here now? No.
My name is Ramya. My name is Ayan.
My name is Fatu. My name is Makta. My name is Malek.
My name is Kristen. My name is Amrita.
My name is Sandra.
My name is Erin.
My name is Omda.
My name is Sonny.
Marcus. My name is Mark.
My name is Sondra.
My name is Laura.
My name is Amma.
My name is Isaac.
My name is Mia.
My name is David.
My name is Benjamin.
My name is Hein.
My name is Simon.
My name is Luna.
My name is Miguel.
My name is Kwan.
My name is Teresa.
My name is Elisa.
And one of the teachers of the staff of the school here.
Hello, my name is Anne-Grete.
I'm working here at the campus. No, it's better in English to say Environmental Education Center. Because this is school, it's not vacation. And in Norwegian language, it's kind of important to, in a way, distinguish, because you heard camp school earlier today too, but that's more, the language more like a vacation type thing. This is school, it's education. So that's why. Excellent, everybody. This information for all of you. You are not supposed to walk inside the buildings with your shoes on. At jeg kan hente deg akkurat på det rommet, og du skal være på ditt rom hele natten. Det er lov å gå på ditt rom hvis du må. I'll say it again in English a little bit later. Det betyr at alle må sove og ha en vidunderlig kveld. Skal vi si noe mer av det til de norske? Good day, saying good morning.
They are not open, they only knock on it.
Okay. Okay? Yeah. So we do like this. The lead group, we say goodnight. The rest of you will stay, and I give you a little bit more information before we go. Have a good night's sleep, everybody. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
It's the freshwater fishing. You can get trout and Arctic char like this. It's a salmon family in Norway.